Paulami Saha is at the BJP headquarters. There were lots of laddus, puris, aloo, all that being prepared. Paulami at the BJP headquarters this morning. They're still far and away the #1 party, but has the victory been muted now?
Definitely. You know, for over the past couple of hours, Rahul, they've been watching the results that are trickling in on TV screens across the BJP headquarters. Very tense, of course, looking at the numbers, hoping that, you know, they do go past the 300 mark comfortably in order to be able to form government with a good margin in their hands. Right now, we're outside. This is the area, Ashokji will show you, my camera person, the area where usually, of course, the victory celebrations take place. That is the top of where you see the dais is, and you can see, in fact, you know, where the BJP Karyakartas have gathered over here. Still hopeful that there will be celebrations tonight over here at the BJP headquarters, that the BJP will, of course, form government. You can see all the party workers over here still trying to, of course, you know, celebrate in this moment, raising Jai Shri Ram slogans, of course, sprinkling holy colors as well. They're saying that there will be Raj Tilak of Narendra Modi here today. You can see those images of someone carrying the image of the Prime Minister being, of course, you know, being put, the tilak being put on him by his late mother, an image which they're carrying right now. Let's try and talk to some of them very quickly. क्या आपको अभी भी आशा है कि बीजेपी पूरी बहुमत के साथ, एनडीए पूरी बहुमत के साथ सरकार बनाएगी?
बिल्कुल बनाएगी, 100% बनाएगी। फिर एक बार मोदी सरकार और प्रधान मोदी जी तीसरी बार प्रधानमंत्री बनेंगे और उनका आज रास्ते लगेगा।
जिस तरह के नंबर्स की इच्छा की गई थी, उस तरह के नंबर्स नजर नहीं आ रहे। 370,
यही 400 पार है, यही 400 पार है। हमें तो सरकार बनानी थी।
400 पार तो नहीं हुआ, 370।
मैम यही 400 पार है हमारे लिए, सरकार
ये अभी गिनती चल रही है, 5-5 लाख वोटों की गिनती हुई है। आखिर ऐसा है, अभी 5 लाख
जीत है पक्का।
शार्ट पिक्चर अभी बाकी है।
4 बजे तक 350 सीटें हो जाएंगी। जब शपथ ग्रहण होगा तो 400 सीटें होंगी।
You know, but is the picture actually baki? You know, of course, those are party supporters and they're bound to be enthusiastic. But if I look at the seats, empirically, there are only 59 seats where the margin is less than 10,000 votes. Those are equally distributed almost between the India Alliance and the NDA. India has 30, NDA has 27. So, picture isn't really very baki, you know. Few of those, bulk of those are from Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra. That's where the bulk of the tight fights are coming from. But if you're expecting miracles, those miracles aren't happening. The NDA seat share is at 293, coming down from the 300 which they had hit. If I look at the party-wise breakup of the NDA, the party-wise breakup of the NDA suggests the BJP is now down to 240. They'd gone up to 245. So it's not as if the roll of the dice, the luck of the dice is going there, where either the India Alliance is at 233, up 106 from the last time, and the Congress, Rajdeep, has hit triple digits. The Congress has hit, you know, this is really like cricket and luck. If luck is going your way, they're now close to 100.
And look, Congressman, you asked Salman Soz this. Their internal number was 102. This was the number which was their conservative number. Their best case was 126. They're likely to end, Rahul, at the lower end. But either way, what Congress getting 100 means they virtually double their tally, but it also means the BJP goes below 272. I think we can say that safely. Whether the BJP ends with 250, 255, at the moment it's in the 240s. It could end up there as well, but it's not going to 272. What that means is that whatever government is formed now is a truly coalition government. You know, it's one thing to get 265 and then you just need a few independents. Now you need major formations. You need Chirag Paswan, you need Nitish Kumar, you need Chandrababu Naidu, you need Eknath Shinde, you need NCP Ajit Pawar. You need all these 5-6 allies to come together. You will have a coalition government. How will that change the nature of governance is another question, but it also means somewhere down the line we've gone back to alliance politics. We haven't got the kind of clear-cut sweeping verdict that we got in 2014 and 19. And I think to that extent, some of us misread the mood. I thought it would be a clearer verdict, but it's obviously not that.
The buzz in the India Today Mediaplex is that Rajdeep in the office sweepstakes has put 2 parchas. One with a big majority, one with a small majority.
I am the closest.
Okay,
no, come
okay,
on. Don't shout me out.
So,
you tell me your number and I'll tell you mine.
I put 2 numbers. You want to know the truth or you don't want to know the
Okay,
truth?
tell us the truth.
I put two numbers, 500 rupees on NDA 370, 500 rupees on NDA 300. Guess what's happening?
I put 500 rupees on 300
This
and
is
I
a
don't
con
remember you
job.
putting.
You know, we were
He's not put
mocking
300.
Yeah, I put two.
We were
He's not
mocking
put
the double
300.
barrel.
No,
Rajdeep, this
not
is not
true.
cheat.
He's
This is
cheating.
like tails
not
I
allowed
win,
to
heads
cheat.
I win.
Arey, you
I'm not
never
allowed to
put
give two
300.
numbers. I have.
Till
Okay, we'll see.
yesterday, all through exit polls, what did he say? Mera aa jayega. 370, 370. That's what you said.
I went
Come
by-
on.
In
I went
typical
by my
Bombaya
gut.
fashion,
I'm the
in
only one.
typical Bombaya fashion, wants to be on both sides of the ticket. यहाँ भी जीते, वहाँ भी जीते.
I'm hoping it comes to 300 because then I will win.
Okay, the fact was, at the end of the day, I put two numbers out there. I went with Mr. Guptaji's number and I went with a number which was closer to what I thought it would they would be. I still did not expect the BJP to be less than 272. Let me be very honest. I expected the BJP to be around 280. As it is turning out, the BJP is around 240 and therefore about 38 seats less than what I expected.